Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the Spline scene ready. Now upload and place it. First, sign into Spline and publish the scene so it gets an iframe URL. Once published, copy that URL to your clipboard and open the website page's HTML where you want the 3D view. Make sure any build tool is paused and have access to the head and body sections. Next, prepare to paste the iframe snippet or include the Spline runtime script. This is the actionable step that starts rendering. Now embed and configure the scene so it behaves on your site. If using iframe, paste the snippet into the desired container, set explicit width/height or responsive CSS, and include allow full screen and loading equals lazy. If you prefer the runtime, add the Spline script tag and initialize with the scene URL, camera options, and event listeners. Make sure to test responsive breakpoints and add CSS rules for container height, aspect ratio, and z-index so interactions and layout remain stable. Finish by testing and optimizing so your Spline element is reliable. View the page on desktop and mobile, interact with the model and watch performance. If frame rate or load times are poor, enable lazy loading, lower model complexity in Spline, or provide a static image fallback. If the scene doesn't appear, check the browser console for CORS, mixed content, 404, or content security policy errors. These are the usual culprits. Finally, make sure the published scene URL is correct and not blocked by adblock or privacy settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.